In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to import data into QGIS. Let's go. You can import data in 3 ways. I will teach you every single way in this tutorial. So let's go with the first way. Go to layer and add layer, and if you want to add vector layer, click on vector layer, and then browse to your local drive, click on here, and then navigate to your directory. I'm going to add this data, settlement data. Click on open and click on add. This will add the data. Okay, another way to add the data is to navigate through this browser panel. You can go to your local drive from here, navigate to your folder, and then click on the data and drag it here. This will add the data, and you can zoom to right click on it and zoom to layer to view the data. Here you can see the data. Another way to import data is you can directly drag the data from local drive. Okay, for example, I would like to load this lake shape file, so I'm going to click on it and drag it up to QGIS. As you can see, it is already loaded. So I'm going to uncheck an Alaska layer. You can see the lake shape file. Okay, you can do the same thing for the raster layer too. Similarly, you can also add the raster data. You can drag the raster data from here directly, or you can go to layers and add layers to add raster data layer, to add raster data layer, and navigate to your directory and click on your raster data and open it and add it. You can also add it this way, or you can also directly drag the data from your local drive. Okay, you can add from all these 3 ways. This much for this video. We'll visit on the next video. Thank you.